How to eat cucumbers helps Japanese chefs lose 11 kilograms. Hello everyone, today we're going to explore a very simple but highly effective weight loss method using an everyday kitchen ingredient, cucumber. So, have you ever thought about losing weight just by eating cucumber? You might think it sounds too simple, but let me tell you the story of a famous Japanese chef, Nozaki Hiramitsu, who successfully lost 11 kilograms in just 2 months by eating cucumber. Chef Nozaki Hiramitsu is the famous head chef of the 2-star Michelin restaurant Buntoku-san, but few people know that he once faced serious health issues. In 2011, during a routine health check, he was diagnosed with fatty liver disease and high cholesterol. This diagnosis led him to look for ways to change his lifestyle and diet. And that's when a simple idea came to him: eat cucumbers to lose weight. So why cucumbers? In fact, cucumbers are not just a refreshing, cool food during the summer, they also have great health benefits. Cucumbers are extremely low in calories. One cucumber has just around 45 calories, and with its high water content, it helps you feel full longer without worrying about weight gain. Moreover, cucumbers contain enzymes that help boost fat metabolism. If you eat cucumbers raw, your body can easily absorb these enzymes, which help burn excess fat. So, how do you eat cucumbers for the best results? According to Nozaki's method, it's very simple. Before each meal, just eat 1 or 2 raw cucumbers, chewing each piece at least 20 times. This helps not only with better digestion, but also makes you feel full faster, reducing the amount of food you eat during the main meal. Why should you chew so thoroughly? Actually, when we chew thoroughly, our body sends a signal to the brain that we've had enough to eat, which helps curb cravings afterward. Plus, chewing well allows the enzymes in the cucumber to work more effectively, supporting digestion and fat metabolism. And the results? Nozaki Hiramitsu applied this method, and in just 2 months, he lost 11 kilograms, urinated more often, and felt lighter. The most important thing is that after nearly 5 years, he has been able to maintain his ideal weight without gaining it back. Not just Nozaki, many celebrities have also tried this and seen great results. Female soccer player Maruyama Karina lost 6.6 kilograms and reduced her waistline by 7.5 centimeters after just 3 weeks of using this method. Former Morning Musume member Fukuda Asuka also shared that she successfully lost weight and maintained a healthy body shape by eating cucumbers before meals. What other amazing benefits do cucumbers have? Rich in potassium. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports digestion. It also acts as a diuretic, helping your body excrete excess water and reduce bloating. High in fiber. The fiber in cucumbers helps regulate the gut environment, prevents constipation, and improves digestion. It's also great for controlling blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Vitamin C and beta-carotene. Cucumbers also contain a good amount of vitamin C and beta-carotene, which help protect your skin, improve skin elasticity, and prevent dry skin, a common issue when losing weight. For all these reasons, cucumbers are not just an ideal food for a diet, but also a great addition to overall health, especially if you don't want to follow strict diets or count every calorie. So, what are you waiting for? Just add a few cucumbers to your daily diet, chew them thoroughly before meals, and combine them with a healthy lifestyle, and you'll be on your way to reaching your weight loss goals without worrying about skipping meals or overly restrictive dieting. Remember, weight loss is a long-term process that requires persistence, but with this method, you'll see noticeable results without forcing your body. I wish you success on your journey to a healthier and more confident you. Try this cucumber method today and share your results with me. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy this content, don't forget to like and subscribe to support us in making more videos.